Good day and welcome to the Employee Assessment and Talent Management chapter. You may wonder why we are studying employee assessments in this course. Well, remember, HR is responsible for overseeing the employee assessment process, and also many times assessments are tied to raises in salary. This is a full chapter, so let's get started. A performance evaluation system is a way to see how employees are performing in their jobs. As future business leaders, it is important to understand the process so that it brings value to the organization and the employees. The first step in designing employee assessments is to decide how often the assessments will be given. Please remember the formal assessment does not take the place of frequent opportunities for feedback that should be given. The frequency of formal assessments can depend on the manager's span of control, which is the number of employees that the manager supervises. The second step is considering whether pay increases will be tied to evaluations. Step 3 includes looking at the possibility of goal setting as part of the assessment. After that, it is time to create the forms, always making sure that they are directly tied to the employee's job description. Remember, there is no perfect assessment tool. And as you are creating the tool, remember validity issues such as reliability and other biases that may occur. Our text reviews legal considerations in creating and using formal employee assessments. Please review. There are many types of appraisal methods, such as the trait method and the behavioral and the results method. Two important terms are criteria and rating. The criteria are what the employees are being evaluated on, and the rating is a type of scale to rate each criterion. Our chapter defines numerous other types of appraisals, such as the work standards approach and management by objectives. There is also a table comparing the advantages and disadvantages of the various types. Please review. In looking at the best practices in performance appraisals, remember, make sure the evaluation has a direct relationship to the job. Involve managers in the development process and consider also involving employees. Use a variety of methods. Avoid evaluation biases. Give feedback throughout the year and review the evaluation for each position often, as job requirements often change. An important step in avoiding issues later is to train the managers on the appraisal system so that they focus on observable behaviors and use only factual information. As I said earlier, HR professionals will be responsible for managing the process of employee appraisals. There is a list in our chapter of steps to effectively manage this process. Please read over that information. The last step in the appraisal process is to meet with each employee to communicate feedback. If the employee is a low performer, an employee assessment provides documentation. Also, an improvement plan can be put into place. This concludes the review of the Employee Assessment and Talent Management chapter. Have a wonderful day.